Alright, so I'm making this game here in my game engine, and you guys probably saw this before, and I'm having problems with the physics engine, with Bullet, because if I play this, you can see the movement looks wrong. You can see the character is like jumping around, and this is not what I want, and this is not my fault. This is just the physics engine being stupid, and I've been having this problem with Bullet physics for the past like 14 years because I'm using this in Blender and so on, so I know it's dumb. And I was like, you know what? I just want to make this game. I would probably like, this is a cool game, a project that I was working on. And I was like, okay, I would just move to Unreal Engine 5 and I would try to use Unreal and that's it. And I don't care, whatever. Let's figure out if this is the right choice. By the way, the rocks does not have collision. This is like by default, was just testing stuff. But this animation do have root motion, and this is like a mix sum animation, so there's no root node. The root motion is applied directly to the hips of the animation. So let me try to show this to you. Oh, I need to revert the logic brick stuff. Anyways, where's my animation debugger? Show the bones. You're not gonna be able to see probably because it's in play mode. Anyways, it does have root motion. I'm not gonna be spending a lot of time explaining that to you. And in my engine, I did not have this, so I had to implement a system for root motion, and it is very easy. I just need to get the running animation. Where's the run animation? Let's try this one. I'm double click it so you can see the run animation. And I just need to go ahead here in the root motion tab and select the channel and then enable the axis that I want. Very simple. If I don't want any axis, you can see right here, it works. If I want only the X and Z axis, it's here. And if I want the Y axis as well, it's here. So very easy, very straightforward stuff. No need to worry about anything in your life. By the way, it's also very easy to add callbacks to the function because the animation itself don't need to create a montage, don't need to create anything, you don't need to wait stuff to compile. You just need to go ahead here and write the stuff you want. Let me see if I have an example. Here we go. This animation here, which is a turn, does have code in the end callback of the animation. Very easy and simple to do. And in code, it's also very easy to do everything. In the engine, you just need to play the animation by the name, and it will do the trick. And in the end here, I'm not going to remember this because it's not the point of the video. I'm just getting, here we go, I remember. This is the root motion. You get the root motion, and then you can choose if you want to apply this or not, and how do you want to apply this to the game. So you can see this, that I'm applying the root motion, and I'm also adding some gain for the jump stuff to adjust some stuff. Anyways, so very easy to use root motion. And then I moved to Unreal Engine. Of course, the graphics looks better and the performance looks terrible, but and it takes a lot of time to load absolutely everything because this is how Unreal Engine works. And I need to run this in the minimum settings because, well, my computer will die and disable Lumen and everything. Okay, I'm here with the basics of the character. I just imported the character, no settings and all. It looks good, way better than it looks in Cave, even though I haven't adjusted anything. It looks weird, but I was creating the animation stuff. I was creating like the sequences and the transitions and everything, and then I realized something very weird in Unreal Engine. Like, this is what you have for the root motion. This is the only thing. There's this toggle, and okay, I can't do this, which is weird. Okay, and I have those flags, but first things first, it is copying the rotation of the bone. What is going on? And then it is also not letting me disable this and select the stuff that I want in the root motion. And then if I play this, I mean, this don't even work because this is not a montage. So I need to create this stupid montage, but the stupid montage, if I create the montage here, I'm not going to be able to drop this to here because I can only play raw animations from my understanding. I may be dumb, but anyways, so it will not going to even work if I play the game. You can see, looks good, graphics, but check this bad nightmare. Like, yes, I'm manually moving the player, but I just wanted to, this is annoying. And then I tried to Google that, and I realized that you need to move the stuff, like you need to move back to Blender, and then you need to convert this in order to create like a root node, because Unreal is just stupid and won't let you customize stuff. And this is stupid, man. Like, takes a lot of time to do everything in Unreal, man. It is annoying. I'm annoyed by that. And I'm not saying that Unreal is bad or that I can do better than Unreal. What I'm saying, and this is the point of this video, is for me, for my use case, my engine is better than the Unreal Engine. And honestly, this is the same for everyone. If you end up making your own engine, it will be better for you after some time, after a lot of time actually, to use instead of using like an existing game engine. So probably the best choice for me right now is to just get rid of the sketchy and non-functional physics engine from my engine cave, and then write my own, and then I'll be happy because stuff will work the way I want, and this is the point of having fun making games. So yeah, I'm a little bit upset. Unreal is weird, and this will take a while. I'm not sure yet if I should make this game in Unreal, because look at that, it looks good, man. Not gonna lie, it looks good, and the settings is like minimal, and this is I literally just imported this mesh, so I don't have anything here in Unreal. Let me open the material. So there's nothing here in the material, nothing at all. So, and it already looks good and better than Cave. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not sure, not sure. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share this. I'm a little bit upset. I've been a bit frustrated lately because of this bullet physics stuff, and I was like, okay, I'll write my own engines, my own physics engine, whatever. But it's gonna take months of my time because the broad phase is annoying and the math is annoying and having this optimized is annoying. And I was like, okay, I'll just move to Jolt Physics, which is the engine that they used in Horizon Zero Dawn and Horizon Forbidden West. And I was like, okay, this will also take weeks and months because, yeah, annoying. That's why I was thinking about moving to Unreal Engine, but probably this is not the best idea. I should stick to Cave because, yeah, for me, Cave is better than any engine. And I don't care if Unreal Engine is a billionaire engine and there's a lot of people using it and making AAA games with it. I want to have fun. I want to make stuff that makes sense for me. So yeah, probably I should rewrite this. But let me know in the comments what you think about that. And if I'm very dumb using a real engine and I don't know how to enable a secret flag here to make the root motion work and not be dumb. Anyways, that's it folks. Bye.